Rajat here from rajatniki.com, and in this video we will see how to create a LinkedIn content creator with the help of N8N. So this LinkedIn content creator will work as an AI agent for us, and based on our inputs it will create the LinkedIn post for us, right? So if you are coming here for the first time, then do consider the subscribe button. So without any further delay, let's start. So first of all, I will share my screen so the process will the process of creating the AI agent will look like this. First of all, I will share the strategy or the mind map with you, and then after that, what I will do, I will create the AI agent and will show how it will work for you, right? So first of all, we need a form, right? So this is the form where you can act where AI agent will read your inputs, and based on your inputs only AI agent will create the content, right? So I will write over here, based on the inputs AI agent will create AI agent will create LinkedIn posts for you, right? So based on the inputs, the AI agent will create the LinkedIn post for you, right? So once you enter the inputs, like your expertise is in content writing or copywriting or email marketing, whatever it is, uh, you can input those things in the form, and then those details will be flowed to AI agent, right? So AI agent will be there. So we need to put a prompt over here, right? So we need to put a prompt so that it can understand what are your inputs and how AI needs to create the content for it, right? So we also need to add a AI model over here. So we will be using Gemini 2.5 Flash, so that uh, AI agent should have a model. So we can also use ChatGPT over here, ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 3.5, anything we can use. But as of now, we will use Gemini because it is free for use, right? So once we get the input from the form to the AI agent, yeah, then we will have topics, right? And those topics will be those topics will those topics are cluttered, right? So it will give us some topics on which we are going to create LinkedIn posts. So those topics will be cluttered. So we need to filter those topics in such a way that it actually it actually separated into different cells in the Excel sheet. Before all of this, we will also create a Excel sheet, and Excel sheet में what we will do, Excel sheet में Excel sheet में we will have topic and the post, right? So topic में what we will write, we will have 30 topics for 30 days, right? Like topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this way. Yeah, so in this way we will write topic over here, and then corresponding with respect to the first topic there will be a post over here, post 1, which we can directly copy, control C, and then control V in LinkedIn. So we can directly copy this thing to to our LinkedIn account, right? So after that AI agent, so now we got the topics. So here we have topics. Once we got the topic, then what we can do, we need to add a JavaScript node. JavaScript node. So this JavaScript node will help us to segregate the topics or to filter out the topics in in different cells. So those topics will get collected to an Excel sheet, right? So those topics will get connected to the Excel sheet, and then once we got the Excel sheet, then we need to use a loop node, और loop node में we will also add an AI agent node. So AI agent node में we need to use Gemini model, Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then we can also add simple memory so that it can remember what content it has created. And then here we can use the same Excel sheet, and we need to map inside this we need to map the themes. Don't worry if you are getting confused, then I will show you by doing the practical. So topic after getting the topics, post will come over here, right? So the function, so the working of the loop function work like in this. So let's say here we have 30 topics, right? So here we have 30 topics. Now one by one, like topic 1, so let me just symbolize T1 as topic 1, T2 as topic 3, T3 as topic 3, right? So T1 will be the topic 1. This AI agent will generate post on topic 1, right? And then it will put that post into the Excel sheet. So topic 1 and post 1 are into this Excel sheet, right? Then again this loop will go, and topic 2 will be taken by this AI agent, and then uh, this AI agent, and then along with topic 2, post 2 will be there in the Excel sheet. After that, again topic 3 topic 3 will be taken from this AI agent. Let me just change the color of the pin. So topic 3 will be taken from this AI agent, and it will create post 3. So now we have topic 3 plus post 3. So this way this cycle will go till 30 times, as we have 30 posts to create, right? So this is how the strategy will look like. And uh, without any further delay, let's come to the N8N screen, and we can start working on this thing. We can start building this AI agent, right? So let me just, yeah. So this is my N8N AI. This is my N8N dashboard. But before this, what I will do, I will go to drive.google.com, right? So this is the shortcut just to open the drive, right? What I will do, I will create a Google sheet, right? I will create a Google sheet, or I can do one more thing. I can just open a new tab. I will just write doc dot, not doc, I will write sheet dot new, so that it can open a new spreadsheet for me, right? So what I will do, I will just change the name. I will just change the name of this sheet. It is link LinkedIn content creator, and I will put today's date. It is 9th of October, so that I can easily find the sheet, right? And in this, what I will do, I will write topic, and here I will write post, So that's it, my work is done. So I have created the sheet. Now I want AI agent to write topic on these till here, uh, 31, till the 31st cell, and with corresponding to the same topic I want AI agent to write post as well, right? So uh, I actually want AI agent should work in this way only, right? So let's come to the N8N workflow, and let me just create a new workflow, right? So I will create a new workflow, right? So in this workflow, what I will do, first of all, I will search on form submission. So add first step, form, N8N form, on new N8N form event. Cool. So what I will do, authentication will be none. Form title के लिए what we can write LinkedIn. Let me just zoom it out so that you can also see. It is LinkedIn content creator, LinkedIn content creator for 30 days, right? A description में we can write fill up the following. So with this form we need details, right? We need details of the of the profile which is going to post the content, right? So let's just write fill up the following details to get the LinkedIn post of your expertise, right? So before that, you need to understand that uh, LinkedIn is properly is actually a serious platform where people do not share reels or memes, right? So you need to understand that having expertise or having authority in a particular subject is very important if you want to uh, go uh, go go high on the LinkedIn. So you need to have some expertise, right? So what I will do, I will just write this, fill up the following details to get LinkedIn post of your expertise, right? So now let me just enter the field name. So field name में what I will enter first is mention the topic of your expertise, right? And so people can actually write here I will choose element type as text, because people can actually type their expertise in a very detailed way, right? Then in the placeholder I will write enter the topic in which you are expert, right? So yeah, so this will be the required field. People actually needs to enter this, right? Then again I will create a new form. Who do you serve, right? So here you need to enter your target audience, right? So I will also write enter your target audience, right? I will show you how it will work. I will show you node by node. Which country, which country or location does your target does your does your target audience, which country does your target audience mm, hmm, reside? Okay, so this will also in which country your target audience is living, right? So this will also be a required field. And One more thing I want to ask, what are your problems, what are the problems that you solve? Okay, so here I can write pain points of your target audience or niche, or I can write niche over here. Yeah, so after that I will also ask what is your USP, how you do that, how you solve the problem, right? So how do you solve these problems? Okay, so now the form is completed, right? So let me just execute this step. So once I click on execute this step, so the same form will open it for me, right? So let me just enter some details so that I can show you how it works, right? So yeah, so let me just click on execute step. So mention the topic of your expertise. So you know about me, that what do I do. So what I will write over here. So right now I am consider the same form for me, like I am creating content for my expertise which I will post on LinkedIn. So here I will write my expertise is google google ads and Facebook ads, right? So who do you serve? So I serve e-commerce e-commerce brands, right? So I can write e-commerce brands or D2C brands, right? So my location, my target audience is basically in India, right? So what are your problems that you solve, right? So it should be what are the problems, not what are your problems. So I will edit this. So I solve uh, what are your problems. So I solve uh, low ROAS, or I can write performance marketing is my expertise, low ROAS, low revenue, repeat orders, right? What is your USP? How I do that? With the help of Facebook ads, Google ads, right? Okay, so let me just submit this form. Once I submit this form, I can close this form, and now you can see that this is actually recording data, right? Performance marketing, e-commerce, C2C brands, low ROAS, revenue, repeat orders, these are the problems, right? So now I have my, so right, so now this form has all the, this form has all the details on which I want AI agent to create content, right? So what I will do, I will just pin this thing up, and I will write, I will add a AI agent node, right? So you can see AI agent node is here. So before writing, so let me just also close this Google Meet. So before writing this, before writing the prompt for AI agent, what I will do, I will actually add a chat model, right? So chat model mein what I will do, I will add Gemini 2.5 Flash. So this AI agent will use this model to create the content for me, right? So in the AI agent itself, what I will do, uh, yeah, yeah. So what I will do, uh, uh, I will click on define below, and I will write a full-fledged prompt for my AI. Like what prompt do I want, right? So what I will do, I will, so I can also use chat GPT for this. So there is a custom GPT which will help you. It is N8N Naksha. I will share its link in the description of this video, and I will also share the link of this file in this video only. And if I write a prompt, then I will share the same prompt with you guys in the description as well, right? So that you can use that prompt if you are playing around with this, right? So so I can ask Naksha to create the prompt for me, right? So let me just click on this button. Hey, so I want you to give me a prompt which I can use in the AI agent node. I want to generate LinkedIn content for 30 days, and also I am getting these details with the help of form. So I have target market that I serve, the problem they are facing, my expertise that can solve the problem, location of my target audience. So I have these things within the form which I have collected. I want you to give me a prompt, right? Or you can uh, or you can also give me the prompt which I will use to generate simple topics on which later I will create the LinkedIn post, right? So you can also create content in controversial take, pain points, comparison analysis, engagement scripts, actionable tips, information gaps, right? Also I want to give you some certain rules, right? So do not write anything else other than the list. Do not use numbers, just give me the list of topics. uh, yeah, so that's it. So let's see how it gives the prompt. Also, after each topic, after each topic, use this symbol, so that we can segregate, so that we can understand that so that we can use this hash symbol as a separator between the 30 topics, right? So let me just give this prompt to Naksha. Okay, so a prompt that generates 30 LinkedIn post only, no content, just ideas. Yeah, option one. So I want only ideas so that I can have a look over it. Yeah, see, this is the prompt. So what I will do, I will just copy this and we'll come back to N10, and see, these are the red marks. I will just remove these things, right? And let me just remove this as well. uh, cool, cool. So first is target market, right? So I can also add my expertise, ex expertise of mine, right? So expertise of mine may, what I will do, I will drag this up to in front of expertise of mine, right? So here you can see the output. Expertise of mine is performance marketing. Who do you serve? Target market is e-commerce or D2C brand. So this is actually coming over here. Problem they are facing, problem is this. Okay, problem they are facing. Location of my target audience, I will drag this up in front of this, right? Your expertise that solves uh, so this will be the problems, right? That solves it. Low was, yeah, so it makes sense, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, so these are the 5 things which I have asked. So 1 2 3 4 5, What is your USP? Facebook ads and Google ads. I can also write how I solve this problem. So it will be Facebook ads and Google ads, and your expert. So I can also remove this line. Location of my target audience is India. How I solve this problem? Facebook ads and Google ads. Problem they are facing: low ROAS, low revenue, repeat orders. Huh. So now the prompt is done. What I will do, I will click on execute step, and it will give me a bunch of text which will show. So it is taking time. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait. So it will give me some bunch of text which will include of all those 30 topics which I want, right? See, here are the 30 topics. Yeah. So if you can see over here, here the topic didn't came, right? So what I will do, I will just come over here. So I have 30 topics, right? So if you can see, your ROAS isn't low because of your Meta's algorithm, it is your offer. So this is the first topic. Stop chasing your new customer if your repeat order is under 20%. This is the second topic, right? So this way we got 30 topics, right? So what I will do, I will now I need to break these topics, or separate these topics into different cells in the sheet, right? So what I will do, I will first use a JavaScript code in JavaScript. So I will just remove it, and again I will ask, I will go to Naksha, right? So I will just dictate this thing. Yeah. So I have a bunch of text, uh, which includes 30 LinkedIn topics on which I am going to create the post. So those 30 topics are are arranged in a cluttered way. I want you to give me a JavaScript code which will help me to rearrange those topics, and those topics are separated by a hash, right? So I want you to give me a JavaScript code which I can use, which can help me to separate all those 30 topics which are already separated by hash button. So I have given this prompt to Naksha. Yeah, so let's come over to N8N as well, and if we can see this is the symbol. So it is hash oblique and N. So I will use the same, separated by not hash button. So what I will do, hash, yeah. So let's just wait for a JavaScript code. Hmm. So it is also showing me the input. So what I will do, let me just copy this whole input. Let me just copy this whole input and give it to this. Above is the input. Let me just write. Now let's see how it gives me the code. mm, I guess it is writing for me. uh, Let me just refresh this. So I have that LinkedIn post, I have that trigger with me, I have that JavaScript code with me which I can use. mm, yeah, see, this is the JavaScript code, right? So what I will do, I will just copy this and I will come to JavaScript and I will remove all these things, and in the return text what I will do, I will uh, get the output. uh, so let me just, and in the JSON data what I will do, I will drag the output so that it can separate the topics for me, right? And then I will click on execute step. So now it has, see, first topic, second topic, third topic, fourth topic, fifth topic. So now it has 30 items, if you can see over here. So 30 topics are here, 30 items. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, 30 items are here, if you can see. So it has 30 items. Now I want these 30 items to come over in the Google, in this Google sheet, right? So for that what I will do, I will just click on Google Sheet. I will search for Google Sheet. Yeah, I will search for Google Sheet, and in the Google Sheet what I will do, I will click on append or update row. I will click on append and update row. In the append and update row what I will do, I will just, yeah, I will write topics are coming here. So with this help, with this node, I have just renamed this node, topics are coming here. So here what I will see, with the help of this node, the topics will come here. So operation is update, append on update row. So this row will be automatically updated one by one, right? So document may, I need to select that same file, LinkedIn content creator 9th October 2025, which I have created. This is the name, and in this I will select the same sheet, right? So yeah, so I actually want to map the topic. So here are the topics. In the JavaScript code I got the topics, and I will click on topic, right? So I will delete this. As of now I will delete this thing, post, right? And I will click on execute step. So here, see, topics already have came, right? So I will just pin it down, so that, so I will also tell you the why I am pinning all these things. It is because my data will be saved, right? So now the topics have already came here, right? So now based on these topics I need to create the post, right? So what I will do, I will just enlarge this cell, and now I want to use loop function, right? So loop function may, what I will do, inside the loop, what I will do, I will choose AI agent, right? So AI agent may, what I will do, I will click on define below, and but before this, before using the AI agent, what I will do, I will give life or give soul to this AI agent by adding the AI model. So it is Gemini model I am using over here, right? I will also give a brain to this AI model so that it can remember. So the brain is simple memory, right? So you can remember. So just like human have a soul and a brain, similarly the AI agent also have its soul and a brain. So brain is simple memory and soul is this this Gemini chat, Gemini model, sorry. Yeah, so now I want to get a prompt which I can use, to generate content, right? So what I will do, I will just, yeah, I will just uh, create, click on define below, so as simple as that. And let me also just execute this step. Okay. mm, okay, cool. So I will click on yeah. Okay, so first of all I need to add a prompt over here, so let me just, yeah, cool. Mhm. So what I will do, prompt user में, mm, yeah, so let me just execute it first. And system message में I will write prompt. Okay, so it is writing this thing. Yeah, cool. So now it is working. So what I will do, in the prompt user message I will add topic so that it can understand. So if you can see over here, your ROAS is not low because of Meta's algorithm, it is your offer. So so first this topic will come over here, and after that what I will do, based on this topic only, I need to create a post. So again I will come back to Naksha, and so I want you to give me a prompt in which the AI agent will be a LinkedIn, not logged in, it is LinkedIn content creator, and your task is to create a compelling LinkedIn post that holds the audience attention from first line to last line. uh, Write in third level English, not necessary for a third grader. This is just so that my audience can easily understand my LinkedIn content. Target audience is young adults and adults, and add micro hooks like a question between the chapter so that person who is reading the content should be engaged. I will give you the topic. You need to create a LinkedIn post on it. Write a write a prompt which I can use to generate LinkedIn post. Input is LinkedIn theme, and you need to generate a post. Cool. So here's the prompt. So here's the very simple prompt. Yeah. So let me just copy this prompt, and it is the system message. Mm, I will click on expression and will copy this and will put it over here, right? So if you can see, these posts are empty, right? So let me just execute this step. Use these logs to information on how okay, simple memory. Okay, chat connected to the, yeah, uh, define below. So I guess it is chat trigger node only. From the session ID, let me just solve this error. It is the simple node. No session ID found. Mm, theme, cool. I guess, yeah, I need to define this below so it can remember the topic. uh, simple memory actually works like a brain for the AI agent. So I am adding the topic here as well so that it can remember the post, right? So now if I click on execute step, I hope it should work now. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. It is working now. So uh, let me just get this as well. Yeah. So I will also check one more time. Cool, cool. So what I will do, I will add Google Sheet one more time. Google Sheet, and after adding Google Sheet, what I will do, I will click on append or update row. Append and append and update row में what I will do, I will again select the sheet within the document and then update and append and row. I will use the same doc. It is LinkedIn content creator 9th of October, and then after that I will select on sheet 1 columns to match on. I want to match topics are already there, right? So topic may topic here will come because after the loop topics are coming, and then uh, output here will come, right? So let me just click on execute step. But before this I also need to remove this thing, replace me. See, post has come over here. Now let's see if it comes over here or not. Hmm. Yeah, so post is coming here. Yeah, I also need to, cool. So it is the batch size of 1. I will click on, so let me just active the workflow is activated, got it. And now let me just click on execute workflow. So now it is taking things from the form. Hmm. So it will take some time. Yeah. Okay, so it has written one post, I guess so. Yeah. So now it is writing the second post. See, 2 is here, so it has written the second post. Yeah. Now let's wait for the third one. 3 is done. So let me just come over. Yeah, it has written the third post. Now let's wait for the fourth post. mm, yeah, fourth post has come over here. Now let's wait for the fifth post. Let's see how it writes. Yeah, fifth post is here now. Yeah, fifth post. Now let's wait for the sixth post. Yeah, sixth post is also done. Yeah, cool. So in this way, the AI agent will create the LinkedIn post for you, and you can see that it is writing automatically. You just need to copy and paste this thing, right? So do try this thing in your Anytime dashboard, and if you like the video, then consider the subscribe button. And if you want me to create a new AI agent which will automate your work, you can let me know in the comment section. I will create the AI agent and will share the video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching the video.